Let's explore what a Docker image is. I will explain Docker images using simple analogies for easy understanding. A Docker image is a lightweight standalone package. It contains everything needed to run an application. This includes the code, runtime environment, system tools, system libraries, and settings. Let's use an analogy to understand Docker images better. Think of a recipe box. A recipe box contains all the ingredients and instructions needed to make a dish. Similarly, a Docker image contains all the code, libraries, and dependencies needed to run an application. Let's see what is inside a Docker image. First, it includes the application code, which contains your program files. Secondly, it contains all the dependencies, like libraries and packages that your application needs. Thirdly, there is the runtime environment, which provides the necessary environment to run your code. Finally, it includes the configuration settings and environment variables required for the application to run correctly. Docker images are created using a Dockerfile. A Dockerfile contains step-by-step instructions to build the image. Here is an example of a Dockerfile. It starts from a base image, which in this case is Python version 3.9. Then it sets the working directory to /app. After that, it copies the requirements.t file and installs the dependencies using pip. Next, it copies the application files, and finally, it specifies the command to run the application, which is python app.py. It's important to distinguish between a Docker image and a Docker container. An image is a read-only blueprint or template. A container is a running instance of an image. Think of an image as a recipe and a container as the actual dish you prepare using that recipe. Docker images offer several key benefits. They provide portability, meaning they can run anywhere Docker is installed. They ensure consistency by providing the same environment across all systems. Finally, they offer efficiency through lightweight and fast deployment. In summary, Docker images are portable packages that contain everything needed to run your application anywhere. They are a powerful tool for modern software development and deployment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.